The ladder stitch is a great way to invisibly attach two things together. So I have these two pieces of fabric here and I want to attach them at the crease. So I've threaded my needle, I have a knot at the end. I'm going to slide my needle into the seam or crease here so that way my knot is hidden in there. Then I'm going to take my two pieces of fabric and kind of line them up evenly. And we're just going to find the parallel side on the other piece of fabric. And we're just going to take a little itty bitty piece of fabric there with our needle, pull that through. We're going to go across to the other side, kind of run our needle underneath a little bit here, popping it back up. Go back to the other piece of fabric. So we alternate sides each time. We just want to grab about like 1/8 of an inch or so of fabric. And gently tug. You would do this for the full length of the piece here, like so. And these short little stitches in between will get covered up or hidden, so to say. So we just kind of pop back and forth along our seam. You can see if I were to open this up, then those stitches are almost hidden in there. And I would use a color that would be the same as this fabric so you wouldn't see these red bits, but I wanted to make sure it was easy to see. So this is the ladder stitch. Now you can make it a little more decorative by adding beads. So after you've come up on one side, before we jump over to the other, we're just going to grab a bead here. Let's see that, maybe this one. Yep, there we go. Slide that down on our fabric. And now we pop over to the other side. So let's make sure our edges are lined up. And then pop over to the other side, making our short little stitch. We'll grab another bead here. And we'll go over to the other side again. And as you can see, that adds beads in that crease there. So you get like a little bit of a decorative edging. So maybe you were edging some earrings or something, like this is the outer edge where you're attaching a front and the back and you want some fun edging on the side. Beads would be a cute way to cover up any of your stitching that you could potentially see when you're attaching these two pieces together, and add some fun edging along with it. So that is the ladder stitch and the beaded ladder stitch.